as you go through life, you experience different situation and you go to different event, and sometimes you need to able to describe what the situation was like or what the event like. Sometimes it's a good situation, sometimes it's bad situation, sometimes it's just a surprise.
Door.
So in this English lesson, I teach you 7 ways to describe situation and event that you experience in your life. So the other day, I put my winter coat on for the first time and I found $5 bill in the pocket. It was a pleasant surprise in English when something positive happened in your life that you weren't expecting. We would describe it by using the phrase a pleasant surprise. It was certainly a pleasant surprise to find money in my coat pocket. So maybe I would find my gloves in, but it was definitely a pleasant surprise to find money. So in your life, when something happen, what that's very positive that you are surprised about, you would use the prize, a pleasant surprise. Maybe you went to a party and you weren't sure was going to be fun, but when you went there, you had a lot of fun. You could describe it was something later by saying it was pleasant surprise. I had a really good time at the party. So then I went to an outdoor wedding a few years ago and it rained all day. It was a complete disaster. That's the English phrase you would use to describe an event where things just didn't go well. That wedding was complete disaster. People got wet. People were grungy. The wedding cake got wet. The the tent had water on top and then water supplied into a whole bunch of the girls. It was complete disaster if you were ever talking about an event. If you are if you are ever talking about a situation where things just go the way they were supposed to, you called issue the English first, a complete disaster. So a few weeks ago, I went to see a movie and I thought the movie was going to be good, and but it ended up being really bad. It was a total letdown. This is an English person we use to describe situation like that. When you think something you go to be good, when you think it's a good to be amazing, and then when you go actually experience it, it's actually bad. You may have had this yourself. Maybe there's an other worse books you love to read, and you author release new books, and you were really expecting to read, and then when you read, and you find out this book is very good, you will then describe it saying it was a total letdown. So of course we also have situation where the opposite happens, where you think it's going to be bad and the ends up being good. In this situation, you can use the English phrase better than expected. This actually happened to me a few years ago. I registered to take the French language test and thought it was going to be really hard. I thought what the student and I thought I was to prepared to was better than expected. For some reason, when I sat down, I was very calm and a lot answer came to me. I ended up getting a very good on the test. It went better than expected. I am sure had before in you as well. Maybe when you to take a driving test, you thought the were going to be too badly, and then when you got in the car and the driving just don't go smoothly. I just this go well in situation you could say it was a pain and the bad. By the way, sometimes instead of you use this word but other when you say and loud then you means the same thing. Pain in the word and pain in the mean and something we ask to describe something just go something and a word. Someone will have an idea about how to something and I went. Everyone else to do certain job or tasks the way, and I just don't work way. Everyone gets frustrated and angry because the new system and is a good and old one. You would then describe it by saying, "It was a really pain and but I worked yesterday. We had to something and I know and knew why and I did like sometimes. Sometimes it's an experience and just awesome. Sometimes you spend time with other and you enjoy. Maybe we are doing business with sometime and there is something really friendly, happy person. You could then describe it by saying it was a really pleasure working with you. It was really pleasure doing business with you. Sometimes it's leave things don't go well in not very fun, but sometimes it just as awesome. This how you would describe it. Hey, it was really pleasure making this video for you. It was a really pleasure doing business with you. It was a really pleasure going on the trip with you the other day. I had a lot of fun. Anyways, it was a really pleasure making the video for you. Thank you so much for watching this little English. Listen about how you can describe different situation and event in English. By the way, if this your first time here, don't forget to click the red subscribe button and button over there. Give me thumbs up, leave your comment, and of course, if you have more time, why don't